friends, in today's video, we present how to study smarter, not harder. We would be discussing the top 9 tips and tricks to study effectively and smartly. Friends, are you struggling to keep up with your workload and maintain good grades? Well, it's time to say goodbye to the stress and hello to smart studying. Today we are sharing the top 9 best tips and tricks to help you study more effectively and efficiently. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first step is incorporate a variety of learning tools during your study process. This includes reading, writing, watching educational videos, listening to podcasts, attending webinars related to your field of study, etc. Friends, the second tip is take advantage of technology. There are countless apps and websites that can help you to study more effectively. Just research them on Google or on YouTube, or you can also discuss with your teachers and friends. Friends, the third tip is learn to prioritize. With so many tasks to complete, it's important to prioritize your studies. Make a to-do list and organize your tasks by importance. This can help you to stay focused as well as motivated. Friends, the fourth point is summarize your notes. Instead of trying to read through pages of notes, try summarizing them into a few key points. This will help you to focus on the most important information and make studying more manageable. Friends, the fifth tip is write notes in your own handwriting. This will help you to be more engaged in the study session, and you would also remember the information for a longer period of time. Friends, the next step is mix up your study environment. Changing your study environment can help to improve focus and retention. So, try studying in different locations such as a library, a coffee shop, or even a park. Friends, the seventh tip is form or join a study group. Join a study group with your classmates to discuss the material and share study strategies. Friends, the eighth point is create flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to memorize information quickly and efficiently. They can be easily made with index cards and a pen, and they can be used to study key terms, definitions, and formulas. And friends, the ninth tip is teach someone else. This will help you to expand your own knowledge of the subject. You can explain the study concepts to a friend, a family member. You can also make a blog, a YouTube video, or can even make an educational podcast about it. Friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on how to study smarter, not harder, and the top 9 tips and tricks to study effectively and smartly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.